In this video, I will show you how to fix the E05 error code on your Canon Pixma printer. The model I'm using is the E3370, but all the error codes for the different models are the same, if not very similar. So this should be a good solution for you. So the reason why you're getting this error code is due to a paper jam in your printer. So there's a couple things we can do just to check, make sure that this is running smoothly and fix the error code. So what you're going to want to do to start is by removing the paper from your printer. When it's inserted, you could have forced it in, causing it to jam. So that's the first thing I'd recommend to do. Next, we want to have a look down the back slide to make sure that there's no paper left over. Something may have been torn off or ripped, causing it to be stuck in one of the components. So it looks pretty clear. And while we're here, we notice this slide here. At the moment it's set to A4, but if you were to put the paper in and then adjust the slide, it could catch the paper inside, and you wouldn't want this because this could cause it to tear when you take the paper out, or even when the printer sucks the paper in, it could cause a bit of an issue. So make sure that this is set into the position before you put the paper in. Also make sure to check behind the slide to make sure that there's no paper attached to it. So it appears that everything's okay, but we'll just turn the printer around and check behind to make sure that nothing has fallen through. So we can see a bit of a clearer view now of the back there. You can see that nothing is in the way. If there was, you'd probably be able to see it from this angle. You get a good view into the machine from here, and it seems to be clear. And now, just as a final check, if you're still receiving the error code, or you'd like to know the best way to check inside the printer as well, we come down to the front and you'll see a little latch here which you can pull down on, like so. When you do so, you'll see the ink cartridge move. Make sure not to do anything whilst it's moving until it stops and is in a stationary position. And now we can just have a look inside the printer and make sure that there's no paper remaining inside, causing a blockage. This would be a main cause for your E05 error code. Now everything seems to be okay. If there was anything here, we probably would see it and you'd be able to remove it safely. It's also quite important to mention that all the components are made of plastic for this machine. So do try to be gentle when using it, as you could break something without realizing and then cause another problem later down the line. I hope this has been useful for you. I hope it can resolve your issues with the printer. If it has been useful, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with any feedback you'd like, or if you have any questions or concerns for us, we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. My name is Pat and this is Printers with Pat. Have a good day.